Hi everyone, it's Becca from the Newburyport Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how you can borrow ebooks from all of the libraries across Massachusetts. If you enjoy reading ebooks but find that the MVLC collection doesn't always have what you're looking for, you might be able to borrow it from another library system. I'm going to show you how you can access this in both Overdrive and Libby. Overdrive is compatible with PC, Kindle, and mobile devices. This is our Overdrive video. If you're looking for our Libby video, please check out our YouTube page. The first step is to visit the library's website at www.newburyportpl.org. Once you are on our main page, you'll scroll down and click on the widget for Download eBooks and Audiobooks. This will redirect you to the MVLC Overdrive Digital Library page. In the right-hand corner, you will sign in with your 14-digit library card number. Just make sure you're on Merrimack Valley Patrons. Now, if I'm searching for an item and it is not in our system, this is the screen that you will get. It shows you it's not available as an ebook. So I will scroll to the top of the page and you'll see a small drop-down menu for partner libraries. This is the list of all of the library systems in Massachusetts that are part of the reciprocal e-content borrowing agreement. You can click on any of these systems and log in with your Merrimack Valley library card to borrow from any of these libraries. I often recommend people to choose and search Boston Public Library first. They have a very large collection and they typically have multiple copies of popular titles, which means you're not waiting as long. You'll be popped out into a different tab and you'll notice that you're on the BPL's Overdrive page. I'm going to search for my item again, and it looks like it's available here at Boston. So I'm going to borrow this item. It will ask you to log in with your MVLC card. And then you can borrow the item. An important note is that in the MVLC system, you can borrow ebooks and audiobooks for 21 days, but in all of the other library systems, they have different loaning periods. So Boston has a 14-day loan period, but some other libraries have a 7-day loan period. So it's just important to be aware of the different borrowing agreements. So I will click on Borrow, and then I can start reading the book if I like. If it wasn't available, you can also place this book on hold. We hope this video was helpful and informative, and as always, happy reading.